Hey y'all, and good evening. Well, I am coming to you in the evening again because we have had some super hot days here in coastal North Carolina. So today I am doing a very exciting video where I am going to be planting some grasses in our landscape. So one of the beautiful grasses that we have native here in North Carolina is called a pink muley grass. So I am going to be planting some of that today. I planted some in our back garden around our pool when we first moved in 2 years ago, and it is absolutely beautiful. So I can't wait to add this beautiful grass into our front flower bed landscape. All right, guys, so let's get going. Okay, so this is the area that I'm talking about with the big, beautiful blooms, and you can definitely see that. So she was talking about on the podcast how when you have big, beautiful blooms like that, it's great to add in that soft, wispy texture of a grass. And I couldn't agree more. So this is our pink muley grass. So this is native to our area here in coastal North Carolina. And it's green right now, but in the fall, it will get the prettiest pink plumes on it. So I think it's going to look so pretty here. We'll have our pink with our Supertunia Vista Bubblegums, our purple with our Cat's Pajamas Nepeta, and then the white with the Limelights there. So I think this is going to be a beautiful combination here in our garden. All right, guys, so what do you think? I think this is going to look really pretty. And when the wind blows, you'll have that nice movement of the grass. Kind of helps to fill in the spaces. I think it's going to look beautiful. All right, guys, so let's get planting. So the pink muley grass, it is full sun, water the first year and then twice a week after that. Cold hardy, 0 to -10. And then average mature size is 3 foot high, 3 foot wide, and space them 2 to 5 feet apart. But look how pretty those pink plumes get. They're so beautiful. Okay, so we have our pink muley grass planted now, and Savannah did a beautiful job of getting those done. And look how good it looks with those big, beautiful blooms. I can't wait until it turns pink this fall. Okay, so this is the next grass that we're going to plant, and it is called a blue stem chameleon. And I bought this the other day when I was at Kiefer Nursery. So we're going to bring it back here to our cottage garden. So I think it'll look good here because we've got this autumn joy sedum, and they have the flowers that are kind of stiff and rigid, and then here will be the nice soft texture of the grass. And then as we're going along through the cottage garden, we kind of have a repeat with the autumn joycetum over here. And I think it will make a great backdrop to the lamb's ear and beside this other autumn joycetum. So we're going to get these planted next. Okay guys, so we are all finished with this quick little planting project tonight. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gives you a little bit of inspiration. If you have some big, beautiful blooms, plant some grasses, because they are a beautiful way to fill in those spaces and to create such a beautiful garden bed. So I hope you have a chance to get in your garden today. Thanks for gardening with me. Bye friends.